Hi there, my name is Josh, and I would love to help you with your next project. I've been providing voiceovers for over 10 years. Feel free to send me a message so we can focus on making your next project a success. Here's a few examples of what I can do. Do you want to study in Canada? Canada is a beautiful country, safe, peaceful, and multicultural. The quality of education is one of the best in the world, and Canadian schools are always present in the top 100 most prestigious list. Having a Canadian degree acts as a mark of trust and excellence. Leap into technology and be in demand. Right now, you can prepare for an exciting and rewarding future in technology by enrolling in one of our many courses at leapintotechnology.com. Hi, we are Animato Studio. We are here to help you to skyrocket your business with explainer videos. Explainer videos help to clarify your vision or services to your customer base, which can result in a plus 68% increase in your sales. Thanks for listening. Go ahead and send me a message right now so we can get started on your project.